Strapped at 2 ohms. Spare tire hole drops off about right here. A 6.5-inch octoport.
Okay. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Put window up for info first. Oh, nice. Oh, you did a lot of fab work on the back trunk area. Okay.
Oh yeah, I've got a Sundown 160 all through the car.
Okay. All Sundown audio almost. Okay.
Just about. Yep, I'm working on it.
Nice. So, what's your name and all equipment?
My name's Xander Lambert. I've got 2 Sundown U12s on 2 Salt Force strapped at 2 ohms.
Okay. So it's at 2 ohms, so 1 ohm per 4K.
Yep.
Okay. Wow. Looks like you've done some really good, like whatever you can to get the box as loud as possible, almost. Kind of the location and all.
Giving it the space for the loading that it needs.
Okay.
It's a lot of power for the use.
Yes, sir. Do you have any kind of like SPL test on here?
It does a 47 at 39.
Really? Right below 40. Okay. Yep. So good bandwidth still?
Yep.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, I can play 26 to 40s, 50s.
Okay. What size battery bank?
It's a 29 amp hour Skib LTO from Covington.
Okay. Sweet. Wow. So what made you do your subs facing forward versus back, or where that placement of that 2x4 holding over? I'm just curious.
So I've always kind of wanted to look back and see 212s instead of them, facing towards the trunk. Yeah. And I've seen that side firing ports does really well.
Okay. Oh, I see it. Yeah, I'll go look at that.
Yeah, it's a 6.5-inch octoport.
Okay. Nice. What made you go with the 6 over an 8? Have you tried it, the difference, or 6 is working out for you?
What's that?
Have you tried the different airport sizes, or 6 is working out?
No. So it's an octoport, so it's a little bit harder to adjust.
Oh, got it. Okay. Is everybody can see the back real quick?
Yeah.
So you got it pretty much optimized all the way passenger. Okay. So a question for you, when you added the wood platform, was that just for mounting, or was there a testing result behind that?
So the spare tire hole drops off about right here. Okay. So with it scooted all the way over, the box was
got it. Okay. Now it's solid. Yeah. All right. Appreciate it, man.
That's the price you pay. Leave behind your heart and cast away.
All right. Nice. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. I think you told me the underhood alternator amp hours, right?
Yep.
All right. Wow. That's good.
Getting really hard just to live these days. My life's in a blur, I can't see straight. It's hard to play the hand that was down to me. The past I'm running from won't set me free. I don't think I'll ever change these ways. Took a wrong turn and now I'm lost. Smoke still burns on every bridge I cross. I've been feeling reckless since I was an adolescent. I can snap at any second. Long nights and now I want cocaine and alcohol. Mind racing, my heart's dribbling like a basketball. And I feel like I'm going insane when I'm knowing there's no way I will change. The angels that used to leave me, now they torture my soul. Feeling confusion as I'm moving towards this fork in the road. Took a wrong turn and now I'm lost. Down this road before. It's just not the same time. Yes, I know what you
Play something a little bit lower.
Oh, it gets lower?
I can play 25 and up.
Okay. It likes the high 30s.
Yes, it does.
Oh, yeah.
The box is tuned to 32, so
Yes,
it
sir.
loves like 35 to 42.
Okay.
This is 27 and up.
All right.
Lab in the back in the crib, smoke to the streets like an early morning phone. Mama's in the slaughterhouse, the head chick, daddy chop early morning hog. Catching Z's like an early morning song. When I walk to the racket, yawning, girls on the phone. Man, I can never go to sleep, man. Looking out the window, what's wrong with y'all? Stood up in my clothes and tied Alabama sweat pants and threw my pillow. Most like that, they tried to sneak in and steal his elbows. They don't know that old man, them cold hands, them no hands. Nah, he's broke like a reload. To the Chevy, you want my most heavy, and the gun is heavy and tall as the king. Reload, think he's playing. You better listen what he's saying, punk. Don't make me. The back in the crib, smoke people to the streets like an early morning fall. Mama's in the slaughterhouse, the head chick, the daddy chop early morning hog. Catching Z's like an early morning song. When I walk to the racket, yawning, girls on the phone. Man, I can never go to sleep, man. Looking out the window, what's wrong with y'all? Stood up in my crib, saying, God, Alabama sweat the ass and threw my pillow. Most like that, they motherfuckers that tried to sneak in and steal his elbows. They don't know that old man, them old hands, them no hands. Nah, he's broke like a reload. To the Chevy, you got the most heavy.
low still.
Yeah.
It doesn't get as loud, but it still sounds awesome, man. I appreciate the demo.
Yeah, I
Nice to
appreciate
meet you.
jumping in, man.
You're welcome. What's your name?
Xander Lumber.
Xander Lim. All right, man.